Hi, I'm Moses. I've been a yard expert here at Chamberlain's Valley since 2022. Today we'll be discussing about how to fix the pothole the DIY way, simply using our home tools. You're gonna need your cold asphalt, your backhead, your broom, your stump, bucket of water, gloves and goggles for your own safety, the spade and the rake. First, you're gonna mark a square around your pothole. Then use your pick head to open the hole and expose the walls. Sweep out all the loose material. Next, you're gonna put the cold asphalt ready mix into the hole. Rake the asphalt evenly and ensure it's level with the rest of the tar. Wet your stamper or sprinkle water over the tar so it doesn't stick and compact the fresh tar. If you are a contractor, you can use a plate compactor to compact the tar evenly. Then you're gonna tidy around the pothole. Voila! Your pothole is fixed and you'll be open to traffic immediately. Not only can this product be used for potholes, it can be used for driveways, tennis courts and speed humps. Remember, you can get everything that you need at any of our 9 Chamberlain stores in Gauteng. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.